Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2021 Can-Am RYKER 900 Ace. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This trike has 6,488 miles and passes New York State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 14 volts, the front left tire at 630 seconds, the front right 730 seconds, and the rear tire at 930 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. The finish is worn on the side cover, and there's a blemish on the upper fairing. This trike has one key and comes equipped with ABS, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, and reverse. It's been upgraded with a Can-Am comfort seat, a Link tail storage bag, an Elka suspension, SE Performance Control arm guards, kicker speakers, a Baja Ron sway bar, aftermarket footrests, hand shifter, grips, LED grille lights, LED headlights, tire lettering, and tank trim. This trike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.